Catch 'em all.
So yo guys, now we are on the way to Antargange. Yes, so all the views that we get over here is just like this. All the hills and the nature, nothing else, which is pretty good. This view is really good. Actually, my hand was cleaning, so I just removed my gloves. This has got fogged up. So this is the place. This is the parking place, and there are so many bikes and so many bikers. Another KTM Duke when I was there, a 390. Here, this is the Adventure 390. So we parked the bikes over here, and let's make the move. Let's go, Priya. Yo guys, now we have reached over here near Antargange. So yes, now we are heading in, and yes, I'll catch you guys over there. So guys, now we are climbing up the hill, so this is the entrance. Yo guys, let's go, come on. There are so many cute monkeys over here. This is a big one. Actually, walking while wearing mask makes more tired, but there are too many people around here, so I don't want to take any risk.
Brother noticed it first.
Cute doggies though, so I just don't want to take risk, so it's fine. We are going slow, and yes, this is like never ending. Oh my god, we have came so far and we still have to climb up too many steps up. So yo guys, now we finally came up from the long way there, and it was too tiring. How are you guys feeling right now? Okay. Okay, we can make out just with expressions, and yes. So now that we are done with worshipping the temple, and now we are heading in, and this is a cave area that we are heading in, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Be careful. way too hard, guys. Let me show you the route. So this is the way that we need to climb from, and there is very little bit of space, but somehow we are moving on and full on Josh. How is the Josh? Yo. Josh mein hosh nahi kona. This is completely a jungle area in there. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Yo guys, we stopped up at the first viewpoint, and that is this. I'll just show you guys. So let's move forward and let's move on. This is a cactus tree. This looks very scary and insane. Yo guys, that small guy who was guiding us, he told that he will guide us, but he left us in between. He told that there is a viewpoint, you can go for it and you can take some pictures, and we had been there and he's nowhere. We can't find him, and I guess he says we are lost, but actually we are not lost. Guys, this is such a amazing view right over here, but we still need to climb up way too far because I can see people very far up there. So we are almost tired, and but still few people who are climbing down, they said that the place is really adventurous and really good. Guys, actually these stairs are carved from this big rock. Whoa. That's the reason why we need to use this stairs, but I don't really feel comfortable climbing on this stairs, but climbing normally on this rock is way better than that. Climbing on the rocks normally is way better than climbing on this stairs, because these stairs are like inclined and it's not that comfortable, but it's not carved all the way up like sequentially, but in few places there are they have carved, and in few places there are normal rocks we need to climb on. Okay, I'll catch you guys once I reach up there, because I'm really feeling too much tired, as you guys can notice that in my voice. So boom. Guys, I thought of vlogging once I reach up there, but it's way too long and it's way too far. So yes, currently the view is this. Actually we didn't had the plan of trekking, but an unplanned trekking happened. So now we are on the way to trek, and this is the state of my buddies right here. So yes, so the guy who was guiding us has actually climbed up before us, so an alternative guy is helping us to find our way. So we are just following him. It's way too far from the ground level, like it's literally very far. I don't even know how many kilometers so far we have walked. So guys, this guy right here told as a fact that there are 7 villages up on the hill, and there is also a way to go with the bikes. So guys, this is the exit of the cave, and we need to climb up more to go for the entrance. So basically we are climbing more and more up to get the entrance, and we'll go back down the hill with the exit of the cave. So this is the adventurous way. This is the cave. Oh my god. And this is the entrance. This is not that easy, guys. I personally don't recommend this. Guys, this is really hard. This is how we need to go. This is how the place is. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. What if that rock right there falls on our head? Oh my god. Come. Oh my god. This is what the cave looks like. Ooh. Yo guys, this is the cave, and this was the way we came right from there, and we took a turn, and now we need to go down there. Even after a long struggle, finally we got to see
Such an amazing view.
So if we had climbed back down, we would have missed this. So yes, we are happy with this. Let's boom! Yo! The dark is here. The real dark cave is here. So guys, now we are done with the cave and we are going back home. Actually now we are going down the hill. Actually when we started climbing up the hill, in a half the way we were so tired that we were about to quit, but we somehow climbed up and we reached there, and it was actually worth it. We were so excited in the cave. We somehow got the energy back, and yeah, it was hell lot of fun and adventure. And this was literally very much unexpected trek, and yeah, I completely loved it, and actually everyone, we all the three loved it. How was the experience? Superb. Yo, so it was awesome, and yes, now we'll be heading back. Now it's currently 12 p.m. and we'll be having our next stop for our lunch. After the lunch, we'll be back home safely. So be safe, guys. Wherever you go, whatever you do, just make sure that you are safe. So I will catch you guys on I'll catch you guys on the other side. Actually, it's currently the next day in the morning, and yesterday we couldn't wrap up the vlog as we were too tired, and it also started raining. And so if you guys like the video, please do
like it,
share it,
sabar
karais, whatever. So we hope you guys like the video, and I'll catch you guys in another interesting and amazing vlog. Until then, take care and Bye-bye. So we are done with the cave, guys. Now we are going back. Yo guys, so finally our road trip got. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we are somewhat very high. We are somewhat very high, but we are at very high. We are at somewhat very high altitudes.